What's up you guys, Megan here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. This is my version of Vlogmas, which is basically post a video every single day until Christmas after my finals. That's what's going on. So yesterday's video, which is what I'm editing right now, is my rush tips video that I did with Kylie, and this is going to be my third video. I'm going to be taking you guys through my day today, and I have a lot to do, so that's great. I'm not working today, which is awesome, so I can get lots of stuff done. And if you can see behind me, my room's a freaking mess. I came back from college. I go to the University of Virginia, if you didn't know. I came back Monday, so a couple of days ago. Today's Wednesday, so it's a little messy in here. Not great. I also feel like I'm getting sick because all the stress is now over. All my final grades are in, which is great because I'm just like chilling now. I can't like chill until I know like what I got in every single class, and it actually turned out really well for me this semester, so that's awesome. I am just gonna sit here and edit my video right now because I have to get that up because that's not due today, but it's due for me today. I told myself I'd post it, so I'm gonna post it. I'm just gonna go make some coffee and sit here and edit. Also, it's 12 p.m. so I'm not trying to pretend that this is 7 a.m. right now. I definitely slept in this morning. I've not slept in since I've been home, so I was like, you're gonna just see where the day takes you, see what time you wake up, and what do you know, it's now 12:17 and I'm getting my day started. But it's all good because we're on break, people. Teddy, say hello. Hi. Are you following me? Do you want to come make coffee with me? Come on, come on, let's go make coffee. Can you sit for me? Can you sit? Oh, you're so good. You're so good. You're so good. Oh, you like it? Oh, thank you for that. Just to give you all a bit of a closer look of what this room looks like right now, like it's all the things that I haven't unpacked. I haven't unpacked anything, so like these are my shoes, these are like clothes. This is my dirty laundry, which I need to do probably today. This is my closet the way it is at home. These two IKEA bags are all things to give away. These are my like summer clothes, my clothes I brought for work, and then these are all donation things that my parents have left in my room. Got some more over there. All in all, room's a wreck. I have a couple of things that I really want to get done, but the first of which is going to be to upload my video and edit that as well because I'm not done editing it. Hopefully it won't take much longer because I'm not doing anything too fancy to it. I'm just doing a rough cut. I already color graded it, which was good, and I'm just doing like little titles. And hopefully it's not too long. It's a rush tips video and I think it's pretty helpful, but we'll see at the end how helpful it is. And then I also want to film a video today, 2 videos maybe, just so that I have them like pre-done, because the problem for me is like, yeah, editing takes a long time, but sometimes for me filming is harder just because it takes more setup. So that's why I'm vlogging today, because I don't know, I just like a good casual video. So today is like a bunch of like work stuff and tomorrow's like errands. So tomorrow I have to do all my Christmas shopping. Have I begun? No. Will I finish tomorrow? Yes. Friday and Saturday and Sunday I'm working, not all day Friday but all day Saturday and Sunday, so that's why I'm trying to get my Christmas shopping done tomorrow. That's the plan. And I also need to call about my speeding ticket. Okay. Also, I don't know whether it's gonna be today or tomorrow that I clean up this room, but that actually might be a whole separate video. I might just hold off on that and film a separate video on that because I love a good organization time lapse, and that just might not be it today. I'm gonna drink my coffee and start editing, but if you guys are new, definitely subscribe down below. I'm going to be making a new video every single day until Christmas, so yeah, that's gonna be really fun. Who knows what I'll come up with. I have some ideas planned, and like I had an idea for every single day, but the way I work is I'll like plan and I'll be like, not so much, like let's just do it this way. So kind of spontaneous more with my YouTube videos, which is fine. It's a good creative outlet for me. Let's just do it. Like let's just do it, Meg. I've been editing for over an hour now. I'm still not done with the rough cut. The video is still 27 minutes long. I rediscovered the ending clip, so I realized I have more footage to edit. By the time I actually get this up, it's gonna be like 4 p.m. and then I'm gonna have to turn around and like actually do things today. I haven't done anything today. It's about 30 minutes later. I have finished rough cutting everything. I haven't deleted absolutely everything that I want to get rid of. I just threw some background music down. Look at how the footage looked before. It was so yellow, but I thought it looked fine at the time. It did not. So I did some color grading and I got it to look more blue and white. I've cut everything out. I've put the markers in where the transitions are supposed to be. I need to go through and do like titles and stuff because I wrote, let me show you one. So like I'm doing titles like this with the white generator, decreased opacity, and then the 2 lines of text. So I need to go back and do those, of course, and like other titles and stuff. And then I'm going to delete anything that's not adding to the conversation. I am in just the most attractive outfit ever. I have my now coffee stained sweatshirt from when I was drinking coffee earlier. Also wearing my brother's slides, so that's hot, but I left all my like slip-on shoes at school, so I don't want to put on like real shoes right now. I'm just going out to grab some lunch for my mom and I. We're picking up, oops, I almost fell down the stairs. We're picking up Jimmy John's for lunch just because we literally don't have any food in our house. We have a singular egg left. Oh yeah. Oh, Teddy, let's go, come on. Oh boy, there are birds in the yard though, so he's gonna flip his, hey, over here. Oh, are you sitting? Good boy. This vlog's like kind of boring, but it's fine. Like, this is my life right now. Sometimes people like watching those. Also, my garage smells horrible because Jack has all his hockey stuff in here. Oh, Ashley just texted me. Ashley just texted me saying that she has a fractured head. I don't know what that means, so that's not good. Oh Lord. I have been 100% only listening to this playlist, Candy, by my good friend Liv. You know her, she's literally in all my videos. It's so fire. I will link down below for y'all to check out because it's like just the best mix of like hype up songs, but also like fun, rap, EDM, like just a great, I don't even know how to describe it, but like when I hear a song, I'm like, that would be good on Candy. It's also a lot of the songs you don't know the names to, but you really like and you hear at parties, or songs in Big Booty. So 10 out of 10 recommend. Alright, I'm actually gonna go now. I'm just putting the final touches on the video. I just have 5 more minutes to go through to cut out and put titles and stuff. Right now I'm headed to pick up Jack from the bus stop because that's my glam life right now. I get to take my mom's car. I get no video in the car. I won't video in the car. This is the car I wish I was driving. It's our new car that we just bought for my dad / my mom. Not really sure whose it is. It's another Volvo. So classic. The car I'm driving today. This car actually has really good places for me to set the vlog camera. We have here, we have here, we have here. Like, we got options in this car. This is gonna be my car this time next year, and I'm so excited about it because 1, the sunroof, and 2, like the lighting in here and the vlog placement, unmatched. You're the bag. Oh. Yeah, the camera like adjusts. It's weird.
That's wild.
Early, the sun is starting to set, and I just finished this video. I don't know what took me so long. I think it's just because I kind of organized and got rid of a lot. We had like 45 minutes of footage and just talking, so I just had to cut that down, and I have all the titles and stuff. I also at the beginning put a little teaser to make people interested. I'm just gonna export the video, and what I do is I export it to my computer and then I upload it. So while that exports, I'm just going to, sorry, I was watching How to Get Away with Murder. So good. Generally when a video is exporting, I will go through my phone and look for pictures to make the thumbnail. I'm thinking for this one, because it is a sorority one, I'm just gonna find some cute ones from Bidet or like functions or something to make the thumbnail look really cool, and I just work on that while everything's exporting. It's a little later now. I've just been hanging out. I was watching How to Get Away with Murder while my video was processing, but now it's all processed and all ready to go. Now I always make my videos unlisted when I first post them, because then you can see if you get any copyright claims, but since there are none, and there really shouldn't be any because I used all non-copyright music, just go ahead and save, and I just posted it. So every time I do these videos, I will take the thumbnail, and here's the thumbnail on my phone. I just airdrop it. And so what I do is go to the Unfold app, which is an Instagram story app, and I don't do any of the ones that you have to pay for. I'm cheap and I don't like to do that. So I just hit the plus sign. I just do, scroll down, do this one, import, and basically just make it so that it fits. That's just how I get the white border. You can't do that in Instagram stories, which is so stupid. So I just go in here and I just design it, and then I post about it to get maybe like 5 more people to watch my video. I don't know, it's readjusting a little. Oh, maybe I'll do some handwriting. Hold on. This is what it looks like. I just wanted to do some hand drawings. I don't even know if I like it, but I'm gonna post it. So there we go. It's much later now, but my whole family's at home. Cleaning lady's coming tomorrow, so I need to pick up this very messy kitchen and downstairs in general before she comes.
Where we do the most and the least at the same damn time. I'm your host, Heather McMahon.
Right now I'm in my room, and basically I'm just going to be picking up to a point where like the floor is clean. I'm going to be putting a lot of my stuff in my closet because my drawers aren't empty for me to put stuff away in. I'm just probably gonna pack everything up and put it away, which is not the best solution, but it's the good short-term solution, which is what we're working with right now. I have my show on Netflix, and we're gonna get this done in like 10 minutes so I can go to bed. Cleaning in here. The floor is super clean, and I just have my throw pillows there. I'm gonna make my bed in the morning, and I'm gonna clean off my desk after I finish editing this video. But I just wanted to end off the video here just because all I'm going to be doing tonight is editing this video, then going to bed. I really hope you guys enjoyed this more laid back vlog for me. I'm posting a new video every single day until the 25th. So if y'all are interested in seeing those, definitely subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.